Imagine the entire country of Germany covered with this. Yes, that's how much corn is under cultivation in the United States. And you may think most of it is sweet corn destined for that summer barbecue, but that's not actually true. Most of it is dried corn that's ground and ends up in our pantry. So let me take you through some of the ways that we use ground corn. First off, cornmeal. Of course, you're going to use this for cornbread, muffins, to dust a pizza peel. This is our favorite from Anson Mills. It's got a very fine texture. You can see it's almost like flour, has a lovely buttery flavor. Now, this is a mail order brand, so we do have a supermarket choice. Equally fine. This is from Goya. It has a nice savory flavor, and we thought the cornbread was melt in your mouth tender. Next up, grits. And you're going to notice a much coarser texture here. Our favorite also comes from Anson Mills. Polenta, coarsely ground as well. They can be used interchangeably, grits and polenta, but they are different. Grits and cornmeal are made from dent corn, but polenta is made from flint corn. And as the name flint implies, it's a much harder variety of corn. And so it takes longer to absorb water and has a coarser, slightly gritty texture. Eventually, of course, polenta will soften up. It just takes longer. Flint corn is also the basis for Masa harina. Now, the Aztecs invented this process of taking flint corn, cooking it in water with calcium hydroxide, either from lime, water, or ash. And what that did is it really changed a variety of things in the corn. Changed its flavor to create that corn tortilla flavor. It freed up the nutrients in the corn so it could be absorbed by the human body, and also created a dough that you could roll out to make tortillas. So the corn, after it's cooked in the lime water, is rinsed and dried and ground. You have fresh masa. Now, fresh masa can be dried and ground, and that's how you get masa harina. Think of it as a convenience product that allows the home cook to simply add water, and now you have fresh dough to make tortillas, tamales, gorditas, and pupusas. Finally, Masarepa. In parts of South America, this is used to make arepas. It's similar to masa harina, except the corn is not nixtamalized, so it's got a bit of a milder corn flavor. And what I love about everything on this table shows human ingenuity. How we take something as simple as an ear of corn to create all these different products that make so many delicious dishes.
Looking for kitchen inspiration on the go?
Check out the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Cook with confidence and take our recipes, reviews, and more wherever you go.
Access thousands of fail-proof recipes, equipment reviews, how-to videos, and full episodes of our TV shows.
With smart searching, favorites, and other tools, it's your ultimate kitchen companion.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.